Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. While providing additional details about the electric performance SUV scheduled to make its premiere on October 12th, Polestar issued another teaser of the impending Polestar 3. The Volvo EX90 flagship, the EV replacement for the XC90, will serve as the foundation for Polestar's first SUV. However, it will have a completely new body with a sharper appearance and a more aerodynamic roofline, as well as a distinctive and more powerful dual-motor powertrain and a version-specific chassis setup by Polestar Engineering. With the optional performance pack, the dual-motor powertrain may provide up to 510 horsepower, 380 kilowatts/517 PS, and 910 Newton-meters, 671.2 lb-ft of torque. Despite the SUV's lower power than the Polestar 5 Electric Grand Tourer, those numbers are still rather outstanding. The system will be rear-biased and capable of all-wheel drive, with torque vectoring made feasible by a dual-clutch system on the electric motor located at the back. For more precise driving characteristics, Polestar Engineering will fine-tune the dual-chamber air suspension and active dampers, with changes performed automatically once every 2 milliseconds. The vehicle, according to Polestar CEO Thomas Ingenlath, benefits from a low center of gravity and wide tracks and has the immediate capacity to convert from a comfortable cruiser to a sharp, nimble performance car in less than the blink of an eye. We also know that the intended electric range is over 600 kilometers, 372 miles, in the WLTP cycle, made feasible by a large battery pack from an earlier statement. On October 12th, a special event in Copenhagen, Denmark, featuring the Polestar 3 will be organized by its CEO Thomas Ingenlath and head of design Maximilian Missoni. The following link will take you to YouTube, where the event will be streamed live. Thank you for watching.